Hello, my name's Tracy and welcome to Sweet Bay Lane. Today's video is going to be the first part of a 4-part series featuring those cute little wood ornament cutouts. You know the ones I'm talking about. You can find them at Hobby Lobby and Michael's. You can find them at the Dollar General and the Dollar Tree. In my opinion though, the Dollar Tree hits it out of the park with their seasonal releases of these cute little wood ornament cutouts. So let's go ahead and get started. This video is going to be featuring the Easter themed craft wood cutouts. You can find them at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be utilizing all 4 of the shapes. They come in a carrot, an Easter egg, a bunny, and a chick. And along with that, I'm going to be using the craft sticks, the smaller craft sticks that you can find at Dollar Tree in the Crafter Square section. I'm also personalizing my project today, and I'm going to be using this alphabet monogram font through my Silhouette store and print it out on my Silhouette. But in hindsight, I sort of wish I would have gone with these gorgeous alphabet stickers I found at Hobby Lobby. So if you do not have a Cricut or a Silhouette machine, these are a most beautiful option for this project to personalize it. Now, for time's sake, I'm going to be painting the carrot today, and then at the end I'll show you the whole project put together. But you can see I have a couple sponge paint brushes. I have my carrot shape, my wood craft stick. I have the 2 styles of paint that I want, orange for the carrot and green for its top. And then I have a little bit of raffia, which I'm going to make a bow for to cover that little hanger hole at the top. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my video, and I would just ask if you like what you see, go ahead and hit subscribe. I'd love to have you as a friend here on YouTube, and I look forward to future crafting with you. Okay, now that we have that painted with the green top and the orange bottom, which I think is so cute, that traditional carrot colors, the next step is going to be applying my vinyl wreath monogram. Now this is where, if you were using the stickers, you would obviously put your stickers on to monogram your little pieces. Okay, now that we have the carrot painted and personalized, we're going to go ahead and cover up that little hole for the twine. If you were going to turn it into an ornament, they have a little hole there that you put the twine through, but we're going to cover that with a little raffia bow. Okay, now that we have the raffia bow attached, we're going to move on to our next step, and that is going to be attaching the little craft stick to the back of our carrot. And here is the 4 shapes finished. I think they turned out so stinking cute, and I can't wait for you to see how I utilize these. Ta-da! Look at these cute little cupcake markers. Now, thanks for sticking around to the end with me and seeing how I styled them in these cute little store-bought cupcakes. Now, this I think would add a flair to any kind of a dessert table or even a snack table. I think it would be so cute. And if you didn't want to personalize them, you could just add like a Happy Easter sticker or something like that and put them on a cake or put them on little cupcakes. Anyway, thanks for sticking around, and I look forward to seeing you in part 2 of our utilization of these cute little craft cutouts.